Hello, I am finally doing a curly girl video. It's been so long and I'm finally getting to try the Innersense Organic Beauty line and I'm really excited about this. So I brought these from Content Beauty and Wellbeing and they came so fast, especially with what's going on at the moment. It's absolutely great. So I've got the Pure Harmony Hairbath, a gently cleansing shampoo for fine to medium hair. I've got the Pure Inspiration Daily Conditioner, a lightweight daily conditioner for fine to medium hair. I've got the Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner, a lightweight detangling spray to increase moisture and add shine. And I've got the I Create Volume, a volumizing lotion that provides fullness and manageability. And then finally I've got the really popular I Create Lift Volumizing Foam, a styling foam to lift roots, creates hot style memory and a medium hold. So I'm going to be trying all of these out today. Okay, so I've just got out of the shower and my hair is dripping wet. You can see I'm just leaning over the bath and I'm gonna the shampoo and conditioner. First of all, the shampoo, I needed to use a couple of goes with shampoos to kind of get the dirt out of my hair. It was quite oily. I had used some heavy products in my last wash. And then the conditioner, I thought I'm going to use this whole bottle. It's tiny. It was unbelievable, just a little bit, and I could already feel it when I was, I emulsified it in my hands and just put it down my mid-lengths and ends, and I could already feel my hair detangling, that my fingers were just gliding through it. So my wide tooth comb just went straight through it with just the tiniest bit, to be honest. So my hair, I've literally rinsed it, I've not squeezed out the excess water, and I'm going in for a few spritzes of the leave-in conditioner, and it's a nice really creamy texture actually. So I've done a few spritzes, rubbed it between my hands. I didn't want to spray it straight onto my hair in case it made kind of big conditioned clumps, and I just grazed it over the clumps which formed with no effort, which is unheard of with my hair, and then I just scrunched it in with the excess water coming out, and that's the best way for my hair. As I said, it doesn't like a lot of product. I then just went in with a small amount of the I Create Volume Lotion, and it's a really watery consistency, and I just glazed it over my hair and then scrunched it in again, and I just thought I'm going to start off with a little bit today. Then I went in with the foam and done exactly the same thing, just a few pumps and then glazed it over and scrunched it in, and then I took my microfiber Only Curls towel and just scrunched out the excess water so my hair wasn't sopping wet. I've then just come back in and I've added some of the foam to the roots just so it's a bit easier to do, and now I'm going to diffuse my hair off and I'll be back with you. Look at it. Oh my goodness, I haven't scrunched this or anything and I almost don't want to. I can't actually believe my hair. I've been having so much trouble with it recently, and I was thinking it was the products I was using, but like this has been effortless. I've literally dried this for 10 minutes. It dried really quickly, and I think that's because there's no gel on it. Everything feels light. The shine is unreal. I'm going to give it a little bit of a spruce. I kind of don't want to because I absolutely love it. It looks so healthy. So I'm going to take my fingertips. Yeah, I can feel the foam in my roots, so let's just loosen that off. That is my first time and definitely not my last time of using Innersense products. I will see how I get on with them and keep you updated. I may order some more. I might get the I Create Hold, which is the gel, and see how I get on with that, if these drop out easily. But yeah, I'm really happy. It feels really good. It feels like it does have hold in it, and the foam is supposed to be a medium hold, so if you've got light wavy hair like me, this could be the brand for you. It's so hard when your hair is quite fine, medium to medium, to find something that will last in your hair. So I'll do an update. I'll keep it updated on Instagram and see how I get on, but I love it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to try. I have got the Flora & Curl Clay Wash coming because my scalp has been so irritated recently, but touch wood, it feels good after that wash. So I've ordered that to do a review on that because I'm very intrigued by the product as well. But yeah, I'll be doing some little testing for you. But yay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.